Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to explore the most dangerous creatures on our planet. From massive beasts to stealthy predators, these animals command respect and often instill fear. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1, Cape Buffalo. Our first contender, the Cape Buffalo, is no pushover. These massive herbivores may seem calm, but they're responsible for more fatal attacks on humans in Africa than any other large creature. Segment 2, Saltwater Crocodile. Next up, we have the saltwater crocodile. As one of the largest and most aggressive crocodile species, they are apex predators in their habitat, and can be deadly to anyone who crosses their path. Segment 3, African elephant. Now, let's talk about the African elephant. While these gentle giants are typically peaceful when provoked or threatened, their size and strength make them highly dangerous. Segment 4, Hippopotamus. Moving on to the hippopotamus, often underestimated, but surprisingly, they are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than many other large animals due to their territorial and aggressive nature. Segment 5, Polar bear. Our list wouldn't be complete without the polar bear. As top predators in the Arctic, they are skilled hunters and can pose a significant threat to humans in their icy domain. Segment 6, Bengal tiger. Entering the realm of stealthy predators, the Bengal tiger deserves a spot. Their strength, agility, and appetite for large prey make them one of the most dangerous big cats. Segment 7, Nile crocodile. Returning to crocodiles, the Nile crocodile is a fearsome predator in Africa. Their ambush tactics and powerful jaws make them responsible for numerous attacks on humans. Conclusion. And there you have it, our journey through the world of dangerous creatures. Remember, these animals don't actively seek out humans to harm, and many encounters can be avoided with proper knowledge and precautions. Nature's beauty and danger often go hand in hand. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling wildlife content. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Until next time, this is Investigator 5.0. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.